We're here today at HFO Allendale for the Haas Automation Demo Day. Today we're hoping our customers just come out, see some new technology, help them get some ideas of how they can make their shops a little bit more efficient. The ultimate goal here is to increase spindle uptime and get more parts out the door for them.
The people that are here today are customers. We have some schools coming through. It's people who either entering the field of manufacturing or manufacturers, basically just trying to increase production and efficiency and become competitive on a global level.
So the big thing we've been trying to help our customers is with the after-purchase services. We've really put a big emphasis on building our service department, our applications department. It's great to have a new piece of equipment, but what really helps our customers is getting the most out of that equipment, whether it's helping them train a new employee, helping them get the latest tooling information, or even just teaching them a new trick on the control they never knew about before.
In the U.S., manufacturing is still very much alive, and we're doing what we can as Haas being a U.S. manufacturer as themselves, just making it easier for people to survive in that field and thrive.